Dear viewers, why is it that people do not offer salah? There are some people who do not offer all 5 salahs, and there are some who miss out Fajr and Isha and offer the rest. Why is it that these people do not offer the 5 daily salah? What obstacles do they face? So there are some reasons. The first reason is nafs and shaitan. The nafs is our hidden enemy and shaitan is our open enemy. Neither of them would ever want us to act upon the commandments of our merciful Lord and enter paradise. Therefore, they try and tempt us in different ways to keep us away from offering salah. If we wish to habitually offer salah, we must face the nafs and shaitan according to the method prescribed by Sharia. Number 2, not being able to wake up. This is the issue faced by most of those who miss Fajr Salah. This issue can be resolved if such people were to sleep soon after Isha and set an alarm to wake up or request someone who habitually offers Salah to awaken them for Fajr. When such people have to catch a train or a flight, arrangements are made to wake up in time, and they actually manage to do so too. If one's intention is pure, the end goal becomes easy to accomplish. Keep in mind that you should get up immediately upon being awakened, otherwise shaitan will be successful in keeping you asleep. The Holy Prophet ﷺ has said, when any of you goes asleep, shaitan puts 3 knots at the back of his head. On every knot, he places the following thoughts inside the heart: there is still a lot of night left, so stay asleep. So when a person wakes up and performs the dhikr of Allah Almighty, 1 knot is undone. When he performs ablution, the 2nd knot is undone. And when he offers salah, then the 3rd knot is also undone. And he gets up energetic and happy in the morning. Otherwise, he gets up with a sorrow heart and feeling lazy. Or devotees of the Prophet, if you reflect, you will see that there are many other obstacles too. It is necessary upon us to address these obstacles for the betterment of this world and the hereafter. May Allah Almighty make us firm upon offering salah regularly. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.